Are you looking for an easy way to earn money online? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money by watching videos. Discover the simple trick to make passive income while having fun. Find out how you can get started and start earning cash right away. Stop wasting time and start earning money instantly with this awesome opportunity. Watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Make money while watching videos. By using GrabPoints.com. GrabPoints is renowned for its legitimacy and safety, offering a wide range of earning opportunities with impressive rewards. It's well received by users from all over the world and is thus easily accessible. It is one of the highest paying get paid to sites. You can now watch videos and make money instantly. GrabPoints is a platform that allows you to watch videos and get paid for it. With more than 1 million videos to choose from, you're sure to find something that you'll enjoy watching. Plus, the more you watch, the more money you can make. GrabPoints provides an abundance of remunerative surveys, usually handled through survey routers or third-party vendors. This means that although you can access them through the GrabPoints platform, you will be redirected to a different page to take the survey. At the end of each survey, you're rewarded with points in your GrabPoints account that can be used for various rewards. As GrabPoints collaborates with many different online survey routers and partners, there are numerous surveys available to take part in for extra rewards. GrabPoints also provide offer walls and different offers that you can complete to earn rewards. Paid offers and offer walls are an often overlooked option for get paid to GPTA sites, but they can be a great way to significantly boost your earnings. Not only do you get credited for completing the offer, but taking advantage of these offers can help you reach your rewards goals much faster than just relying on the regular tasks alone. GrabPoints also has a lot of apps that you may download to earn money. Some are very profitable and simple to make money with. You can get paid by gift card or in cash either through PayPal or Skrill. With GrabPoints, you can now start making real money online from home with just a few clicks of your mouse. So what are you waiting for? Start making money today. Sign up for GrabPoints now and start watching videos and making money right away. In the end, if you like this video and found it helpful, please hit thumbs up, comment saying, "I like it," and share it. Subscribe and turn on the notifications bell for more videos like this.